Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to hide pattern line on Samsung S25 Plus. Let's begin. As you can see, currently, when I will draw my pattern, we can see very clearly the lines here. So in order to actually disable that, we have to go into Settings, scroll a little bit until we'll see lock screen and AOD, and here we click Secure Lock Settings. We'll have to confirm by inputting a current password, and the very first option we disable Make Pattern Visible. And if we try that once again, we can see that the lines here are no longer visible. So any bystanders will have trouble actually seeing our password, especially if we draw it very quickly. That's all for this video. If you found this helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.